Today I'm with three top category tech news which are Indian Railway, ISRO, Space and Telecom. So let's get started. Indian Railways is set to introduce their country's first hydrogen powered trains 31st 2025. This upcoming March 31st, train routes will begin from as of today now 2025 March. There are a total of 136 Vande Bharat across India which are serving every day, and by 2026 we can expect Vande Bharat sleeper coach which you have seen in YouTube videos, shorts and reels. Indian government has approved Chandrayaan 5 mission and the rover weight will be 250 kgs. With collaboration with Japan, India will be performing this Chandrayaan 5 mission to get sample from moon. In Hyderabad, there is a Foxconn manufacturing plant. Apple is planning to manufacture their AirPods Pro in the Foxconn Hyderabad plant and export it to over the world to play safe to save money from tariff which Donald Trump gonna put on China. Is this good move? Do comment down below. India has become fourth country which has to demonstrate complex docking process. I mean docking with sending supplies to the space, docking satellites to the space area, open area, or reaching astronauts to the space station and lot more. Construction of Tata's first, complete India's first semiconductor manufacturing plant. The construction has started in Gujarat. From which state are you? Oh, is there any semiconductor manufacturing plant upcoming in your state? Do comment down below. I'm from Karnataka. Is there any semiconductor plant coming soon in your state? Do comment down below. They started offering unlimited 5G internet with their new plans. Now currently in Mumbai, in few more locations, VI 5G services are available. Do check out once. Is VI working fine in your urban area? It's not available in rural area. VI 4G is only struggling in rural area. If you're living in urban area, do check out VI. If VI 5G is working, do take advantage of it. Jio has brought surprising plan. If you were looking into purchase Jio Hotstar subscription, wait, don't get it done because Jio is now offering 90 days free Jio Hotstar. If you recharge 299 or above plan, you will get complimentary 90 days free Jio Hotstar subscription. This offer is only valid for Jio users. Do enjoy recharge for 299 plus and enjoy Jio Hotstar for free 90 days. This year IPL gonna be Jio has brought too many big strategies to attract people. Looks like a Jio's target to make money in 2026, not in 2025. Let's see guys how much money will Jio make, will Jio burn to attract to get more and more viewers, subscribers to its Jio Hotstar platform. Will Jio even work here, do perform better producing in making content in their Jio Hotstar? Let's see. Jio Hotstar collaborating with YouTubers and all to bring their content and all in the Jio Hotstar like boxing, many other ways you guys know. Let's see guys, will Jio Hotstar be successful? We'll get to know after the annual report comes of Jio Hotstar after an year. Let's see. If you recharge 299 or above plan for your Jio recharge, you will get a complimentary 90 days of Jio Hotstar subscription. Super plan which you can use in 2 or more devices, and you will be also getting 50 days trial of Jio Fiber or Air Fiber. You can install Jio Fiber or Air Fiber and you will be getting 50 days of free trial so that you can complete watching the complete IPL. Complete this IPL will end April end. So this could be a good deal if you are looking into a fiber connection, good internet. Do check out this plan by Jio. You inquire once before recharging in your normal smartphone, yours.